Hey, got a got what's it called? Halo Reach, I think it is. It's the Halo Reach unboxing. It's a limited edition, yeah. Exposed to 60. Limited edition. Halo Reach. You get the game and the controllers, obviously, and the console. And let's see, get all that, which I presume to be should be pretty good. Just, and okay, gotta find the sticker. There's a sticker in the back here somewhere. Oh yeah, here it is. Okay. Go. And let's do it. Something, whatever language, looks like alien to me. Kintech, whatever, Xbox Live, Twitter. Classics, I guess, whatever. Look for that or something. And there it is. Smells good. Da 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 da. Halo Reach. Halo Reach. Wow. It's a good game. Hope it is. I hope it is. I didn't get the legendary yet, but hopefully. Yep, I got Xbox Live. Probably a month. Is it a month? Or 2 months? I'm not sure. Yep. That aside. Cord. Controllers. I'm only gonna take one because obviously I don't need two, I need one. So headset, and normal AVI cables. And what else is here? Oh yeah, lighter. This is probably, I presume, the thing that goes in the back of the system, whatever it is. And a brick. Of course the brick is still heavy, but smaller size. Hopefully it has a fan in it. Or some ventilation. I hope. Keep it cool. So, yeah. And is that it? Yeah, controller. Almost forgot the controller. You get the batteries in there. And of course, the console. Uh, it's wrapped in twice. I don't know why they wrapped it in twice, but yep. My own, this way, my own limited edition Xbox. I had a Xbox 2007 and Microsoft were just being irrational. So I decided to get this one right here. Should be good. Although I don't even know yet what year it was manufactured. So I won't know until I look at the back. So it's 2010 7/7. So should be good. Should be good. Yep. I mean, overall, it's pretty good. Looks pretty like a good console, solid. Of course, I'm gonna keep it down like this. So, yeah, looks pretty good. Yep. Side. Yep. Ports. So, yep.